Hello everyone, I am the creator of a site called Sports Arena, or sportsarena.wordpress.com, which serves to help you make money by guiding you as you place bets on the teams of your choosing. If you follow sports and feel that you know who's going to win tomorrow's game, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you how to place a bet online. Firstly, you'll want to head over to sportsbetting.ag. Once you're at the home page, you have to click to join. This will bring you to the page where you can sign up. You only need to give your name, phone number, email, zip code, and birthday to sign up. Unlike other sports betting sites, sportsbetting.ag does not make you give your social security number to sign up. Once you have your account made and you're logged in, you'll be prompted to make a deposit. You can check out sports news and betting odds without making a deposit, but you will need to make a deposit when you are ready to go through with the bet. For now, we'll skip the deposit, so click My Account at the top. And then click Sports right here. Then you're going to see the upcoming sporting events displayed alongside the odds. So pick your sport and find a game you want to bet on. You'll see that there are 3 boxes that you can check for each team. One for point spread betting, one for moneyline betting, and one for total points betting. Point spread betting is where you win money if your team wins or if your team loses by less than the given point spread. Total points betting is where you bet on how much your team will score. For today's tutorial, we'll just focus on moneyline betting, where you just bet on the winner. Click the middle box of the team of your choice. Next to the box, you'll see the odds for your team. Minus means the team is a favorite. So minus 180 means you have to bet $180 to win $100. Plus 180 would mean you'd have to bet $100 to win $180. Now click the straight bet button on your right. Find your selected game on the bet slip and enter the amount you want to bet where it says risk. The bet slip shows how much you'll potentially make off your bet. After that, simply click place at the bottom of the bet slip and you're done. Make sure to visit the Sports Arena at sportsarena.wordpress.com beforehand to find out who's going to win tomorrow's game. Also, tell your friends to visit so we can help them to make some money as well.